on its agenda for the meeting. In the meantime, let's shift focus to some corporates, and we've got on board with ASEAN Electric, and the reason we thought we'll chat with them today is, they've got into a product portfolio and they're looking at expanding that as well. So let's chat about all of that, what their segmental growth performance is and the outlook on financials. Vinay Mahendru, whole-time director at ASEAN Electric, joins us on the show right now. Vinay, thanks so much for taking the time out and speaking with us, and thanks for so patiently waiting by as well while we had some breaking news as well to deal with. Now, Vinay, analysts have been believing that the lighting segment is going to record a turnover of about almost 193 crore rupees in FY19. Would you say you're on track to achieve these kind of numbers?
Yes, definitely. I think, good afternoon first, both of you. We are looking at substantial growth, and as I talk to you, we have within the first quarter, we've got a great order book for lighting, and which we feel that will definitely look at close to 190 or 200 crores in lighting this year.
Okay, so walk us through what sort of growth plans that you've etched out for your revenue streams, and what will be the segmental allocation going forward of your revenue pie?
We are looking at a growth of about 25 to 30% in our other three segments. Well, there's wires, there's fans, and some amount of mobile accessories and batteries. So we look at about 25 to 30% growth on those, and lighting could be anywhere between 50 to 60% growth at least on that front. So which will take the total to close to about 190 crores in lighting and another 80 crores from other products.
And hi, Mr. Mahendra, this is Nayantara joining us from the New Delhi studio. What you just outlined for us, this is all from the domestic business. What about the plans to enter Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka? Where are you on that front?
Yeah, as far as Nepal is concerned, we've already increased our presence there, and we are slowly gaining foothold. This year we will also enter Bangladesh and Sri Lanka markets in the third and fourth quarter, but the major growth is coming from India, and there'll be whatever additional comes in from the new markets where we are going is going to be additional. And I think the opportunity is here and now, and we are trying to exploit that, and that is growing day by day. Street lighting market. We've also entered solar street light market, and there's a huge market worth almost 1,500, 2,000 crores new market which is opening up, solar street lights with lithium-ion batteries. And government is very keen to electrify villages and give light there wherever which are not grid connected through solar lighting. So we have entered that field also. So LED lighting with solar and lithium-ion batteries, a very, very unique combination which we are putting in across 8,000 villages in India this year.
Mr. Mahendru, we're getting you 9 days for the rollout of the landmark GST. How is that impacting a company like yours? How ready are you for the rollout? And has it impacted your pricing, the last-minute sales, etc.?
No, I think there is a little bit of jitter and fear in the market in our distribution business. But the business is going as usual. So far, we don't see any major glitch. We have made some price adjustments for the distribution market. But overall, wires and other products, they are in the same range of taxation, and the overall taxation, VAT plus excise combined. So there is
Mr. Mahendra, sorry to interrupt you there. When you say you made price adjustments, sorry to interrupt you there. When you say price adjustments, what percentage, what kind of discounts are you talking about? And won't then all of this also be factored in the next quarterly results that will be declared by you?
No, this is minor. See, on the stocks which we are already holding for some commodities, there is a 3 to 4% impact on that. But if you look at the overall impact on the quarter, it will be negligible. This is for a small stock which is already there in the warehouses, which we are trying to clear, and higher sales will compensate for that.
Okay, we're going to leave it at that. Thanks, Samendra, for joining us here and giving us the outlook for the company and also what GST means for a player like you. And thank you also for being patient when we were dealing with breaking news. With that, time for a short commercial break, but stay tuned to Markets at Lunch. We'll be back in less than 2 minutes to talk more about the markets and all the stocks that are buzzing in trade.